What if the biggest innovation in tech right now is actually a device that does less? No endless notifications, no addictive scrolling, no glowing screen burning your eyes at night. Just a calm, paper-like display designed for reading, thinking, and capturing ideas. This is the new DuRobo Krono, a pocket-sized e-paper device that looks like a smartphone, but behaves completely differently. And the goal here is simple: help you focus again in a world full of digital distractions. But is this minimalist gadget actually useful, or is it just another niche tech experiment? Today we are taking a close look at the Krono and why it might be one of the most interesting productivity devices this year. And before we get into it, if you enjoy honest tech reviews like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and drop a like, because it really helps the channel grow. At first glance, the Krono looks like a small smartphone, but the moment the screen turns on, you instantly see the difference. Instead of a bright OLED display, this device uses a 6.13-inch e-ink Carta 1200 screen with a sharp 300 ppi resolution. This is the same type of technology used in premium e-readers, and the experience feels almost like reading on real paper. Text looks incredibly crisp, and your eyes do not get tired even during long reading sessions. The screen also includes a dual-tone adjustable front light, so you can comfortably read during the day or late at night without harsh glare. What makes the Krono interesting, though, is that it is not just an e-reader. The device runs on Android 15, which means you can install reading apps, productivity tools, note-taking apps, and more depending on how you want to use it. Inside, there is an octa-core processor paired with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, which is surprisingly powerful for an e-paper device. That means smoother navigation, faster app loading, and enough storage for thousands of books, documents, and notes. One of the most unique parts of the Krono is its hardware design. On the side, there is a smart dial that works like a physical control wheel. Instead of tapping the screen constantly, you can scroll through menus, adjust settings, and navigate pages using the dial. It gives the device a slightly mechanical feel that is actually very satisfying to use. Press and hold the dial, and you activate voice mode, which lets you record ideas instantly. The device can convert your speech into text and even generate a quick AI summary, so your thoughts are captured quickly without needing to type everything. The whole philosophy of Krono is built around reducing distractions. Unlike smartphones, the interface is designed to stay calm and simple. No endless feeds competing for your attention. No constant notification overload. Instead, it creates a focused environment for reading, writing, and thinking. There is even a subtle design element on the back with breathing lights that glow gently at certain times, almost like a quiet reminder to pause and return to your reading. Despite its minimalist approach, the Krono still includes useful modern features. It has built-in speakers and Bluetooth, so you can listen to podcasts, music, or audiobooks. There are dual microphones for voice recording and a USB-C port for charging. Powering everything is a 3,950 milliamp battery, which should last for days, because ink displays consume very little power compared to normal smartphone screens. Physically, the device is also designed to be extremely portable. It weighs about 173 grams and is small enough to fit easily in a pocket or bag. Think of it as a personal reading and thinking companion that you can carry anywhere without the usual digital noise of a smartphone. Now, this device is obviously not trying to replace your phone. You're not going to watch videos or play games on it. Instead, the Krono sits somewhere between a digital notebook and a pocket e-reader. Its purpose is very specific: help you read longer, capture ideas quickly, and focus without constant distractions. And honestly, that is what makes the Krono such an interesting piece of technology. In a world where every device is fighting for your attention, this one is trying to protect it. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more unique tech like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video so you do not miss the next one.